I've recently returned from a trip from California. It was absolutely amazing. Anyone watching from the US, thanks for having us. You made us feel very welcome. As a keepsake, I even brought back this touristy apron. A classic dish over there that I've always wanted to try is General Tso's chicken. I finally got to try it. It was a little bit on the greasy side, but still absolutely delicious. So today I'm going to sous vide this dish. Yes, you heard it right, sous vide. This recipe comes straight from the excellent Lisa Q Fetterman sous vide cookbook. So right, what are we waiting for? Let's get stuck in, and as always, a full recipe is in the video description. Today I'll be cooking this for 2 people, but the recipe easily doubles. So first things first, let's get that sous vide bath heated to 60 degrees C. And on a side note, I know there's a lot of TM6 fans who watch this channel. This recipe will easily cook in your TM6 unit. Okay, let's go ahead and make this marinade. This is the main ingredient. It's chili bean paste, or gochujang. That's what I've got here. It's available in most UK supermarkets at least. It's quite easy to get hold of. Again, this recipe serves 2 people. Remember to double it up. It's quite thick stuff, this. And finishing it off with a generous helping of cracked black pepper. Let's get stuck in and give it a good mix up until well combined. So what I've got here is 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, trimmed up a little bit. Just a little bit of salt required. The marinade will do the rest. Right, let's get a bit mocky and get this chicken in and give it a good old coating. Marinade smells absolutely amazing already. Right, as I say, let's get them in a bag. So let's seal it up. Here I'm using my trusty vacuum sealer. You've seen on some of my other videos I use like a pump bag. You can use either, it's up to you. So we're going to put this on moist mode, seal her up. This is all sealed up. Just make sure everything is mixed well and combined. We're going to get it in the bath now for 1 hour. If you are looking for a standalone sous vide unit, I can highly recommend the Burton Sous Vide, which I've used in this video. If you'd like to take a look, there's an affiliate link in the channel description. Okay, whilst our gorgeous chicken is taking a bath for an hour, let's prepare the final elements of the dish. Okay, fresh ginger, box grater. I'm a big fan of grating ginger into stir fries rather than chop, but if you'd rather chop it, go ahead. So we're looking for about a tablespoon of grated ginger. With that, 3 grated cloves of garlic. If you'd rather chop this, feel free. My box grater on this edge is a little bit battered. I'm about due for a new one. Next, 3 green onions, or spring onion, or scallions. These guys have got several names, whatever you want to call them. Let's just trim the ends. And we'll just chop these nice and simple on the diagonal if you want. Last but not least is the bell pepper, one of my favourite ingredients. A little bit of a hack here. A nice easy way to chop these is slice the end off as thin as you can get. Get rid of the edge and just follow the pepper around. Be careful not to waste too much. And then you just get left with that, no seeds anywhere. And you'll find if you chop a pepper this way, it's much more difficult. If you spin it that way, it's much easier. So we're just going to cut these into little strips rather. Again, no prizes for neatness, we don't care. And that's it, prep for the stir fry is complete. Remove your chicken and empty the marinade into a jug. Okay, the chicken has been drained, as you've just seen. Make sure you get every last little bit of that marinade and keep it aside. So now I'm just going to chop the chicken in half that way, and then just slice into some nice thin bite-sized strips. Just look at that, absolutely delicious. You could just eat this now as it is. Next, grab yourself a medium to large pan. Place it on a medium to high heat and go in with 3 tablespoons of vegetable or sunflower oil. Next, add your prepped vegetables and ginger and garlic. Stir vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Add your reserved chicken to the pan. Now it's really important to remember that the chicken is already cooked. We just want it a lovely golden brown. Just watch it like a hawk, because of the sugar content it could easily burn. Now mix in the reserved marinade into your pan. Cook until thickened and heated through. Now my favourite part, and that is to plate up, and I have to say it smells wonderful. Feel free to finish off with some freshly chopped coriander or cilantro and some fresh chilli. And that is it, General Tso's chicken. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to hit that subscribe button.